Help me pack for a 3-week surf trip throughout Mexico. Let's go. Whenever I pack for a trip, I always write down what I need because you don't want to forget anything. And if you're like me, we always forget something. First up is deciding what kind of surfboard I want to bring. But since traveling with a board is difficult, I think I'm just gonna rent. No matter where I go, I always travel with 2 bags. I have my backpack and my jumbo fanny. The first thing to pack is board shorts, and I'm bringing a lot because this is a surf trip. Board shorts, check. Up next is all my other clothes. I usually pack all my clothes in these Free People bags, and this is a travel hack in itself. I can't forget to pack my brand new slippers. And you know, if you wear them on your hands, you run fast. I got brand new rainbows for this trip and I'm excited to break them in. I also got brand new glasses, and they're obviously transition lenses. New look, who this? I don't care what ocean I'm in, I'm gonna be cold, so I brought my wetsuit. I'm just praying that this is warm enough for all the places I'm going. Fingers crossed. Neoprene, check. Another thing I never leave the house with when I go on a trip is my trusty sarong. It's literally so versatile. It can be used as a blanket, it can be used as a towel, and it fits in the smallest places. I honestly usually keep it in my fanny so I can take it with me everywhere I go. I'm actually bringing 2 for this trip. For camera gear, we're bringing old trusty. We have a Canon 5D and a 24 to 105mm lens. You may also notice that I always bring a dry bag because you never know when you might need it. We're also bringing the GoPro and a mouth mount because we're going surfing, so why not? And I think this one's pretty self-explanatory, but we never leave the house without a reusable water bottle. And lastly, we can't forget our passport because this is Mexico after all. Oh, and did I mention that this surf trip is actually my wedding trip? So I have quite a few other items that I have to bring, which are pretty important.